Hello mga amigas, dili amigas but friends, as well as the moms, dads, atis, kuyas, lolos, lolas, uncles and aunties, plantitos, plantitas, inang and tatang. Today is a beautiful day, but before that, I would like to say thank you to my subscribers. Okay, for those who are new, kindly tap the like and subscribe button. So what makes it beautiful today is because I have here a plant which is different from the previous plant that I have shared to you. So our video now today will talk on, will focus on what are the characteristics, so that it would be easy, characteristics of plants, so that it would be easy for you to identify. So this plant is different from your mayui that I have given you and the previous philodendron that I have videoed. Okay, and so please do not fail to subscribe to my channel, Mommy Scrups channel. So still our favorite family Araceae, or the aroid family. So padaog-daog gid siya nga kuan because of the leaf. Okay, so philodendrons, I would like to inform you that philodendrons have a very nice leaves structure. So what kind of plant is this? Again, I have told you it belongs to Philodendron or family Araceae. Okay, and so what are the characteristics? So let us start first with the leaf. The leaf is lobed. Okay, so if you notice, lobed siya. This one is the adult. This one is the juvenile form of leaf. So kindly check the difference between that of the juvenile and the adult. For juvenile, light green, okay, but when it becomes an adult, it becomes dark green. Another character for this one, look at the leaf tip. Leaf tip is it runs between that of acute to acuminate. So when it is still, but it is actually acuminate. So when we say acuminate, it is pointed and it curls. Pointed and it curls. Another, this kind of plant, if you noticed, it is lobed. So meaning to say the leaf shape is lobed. How many lobes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So including the leaf base, okay, it is lobed. Okay, ano siya. Another thing is the margin is entire. So margin is entire. When I say entire, it is smooth. Base is lobed or cordate. Lobed or cordate. Lobed or cordate. And it has a single lobe at the base. What is the color of the surface? Light green, dark green when it becomes adult. Okay, probably this one is deceased. No, then it has plenty of kuan because of the coloration, but actually it is dark. But always remember that when you go at the abacial, at the underside, okay, you can see the distinct pink coloration. Wait, this one is different from the mayui. Okay, later I am going to tell you. And the Squamiferum, this one is different. Okay, still it has the pinkish or burgundy. Okay, very distinct at the underside, very distinct parallel or pinnate venation. See, pinnate venation. And okay, another thing, the petule. Okay, what is the petule? It attaches the leaf. At the petule, still it runs between that of a green in color, as well as look at the juvenile. Okay, it runs between green and burgundy. This is for this kind of plant. So whether it is green, okay, you can see the green one, and red or burgundy. But for the hair structure or the verruculus, okay, hair-like projection, it is shorter, okay? So, mas shorter siya than that of the Philodendron Squamiferum. Okay? See? Very short. Okay, let us move. I am going to move. Okay, so that it would be easy for you to... Okay, so the hair-like projection, the wart-like projection is shorter than that of the Squamiferum. So, what could be this plant? This is your Philodendron Squamiferum cross Pedatum, or commonly known as Philodendron Florida or green Florida beauty. Again, family Araceae, genus Philodendron, species Squamiferum cross Pedatum. So again, what are the characteristics? You just go at the underside having that burgundy or pink coloration, okay, pink coloration of the midrib, and the petal has a burgundy or red color. However, if you're going to see that hair-like or wart-like projection, it is shorter. It is not fuzzy, just like that of Squamiferum. How are we going to propagate this? Okay, this is propagated by cuttings. So if this is the stem, okay, if this is the stem, okay, we can cut this one because it has secondary roots. Okay, so every node, okay, we do not just cut, we do not just divide, but see to it that you know where is the node. So if this is the node, you can cut it below and then plant it. What is the best medium, well-drained medium? I use this one. What is this? It is a cyathea, or in our place it is known as anunutong, so chipped cyathea roots, as well as I put charcoal, and as well as our garden soil. Okay, do not place your Philodendron Florida Beauty or green Florida Beauty under the heat of the sun, but it should be shaded. It likes well-drained medium, meaning to say that you are going to add to water it by every 2 days so that it will not dry up. Okay, these are epiphytic plant. Okay, so since it is epiphytic, it is a climber. Okay, if you notice, it starts to climb. So it needs a pole so that it can grow, it can climb. Okay, it attaches themselves. Okay, I use this terracotta. Look at the roots. It attaches at the terracotta, meaning to say these are climbers, so it can climb. It is now growing, it is climbing. So this one is a rare because it is a cross between that of Philodendron Squamiferum and Philodendron Pedatum. So in the coming videos, I will be showing to you what is a Pedatum, no, so that it would be easy for you to discern what is Philodendron Squamiferum, what is Philodendron Pedatum, what is Philodendron mayui, and what is Philodendron Florida, which is this one. So again, it belongs to family Araceae, genus Philodendron, species Squamiferum cross Pedatum. Okay, so see the difference between that of the juvenile leaf, which is lobed, and that of an adult leaf. So when it is juvenile, it looks like this one, light, but when it becomes adult, it looks like this one. Okay, this one, which is found at the lower. Okay, kindly check on the between that at the lower part of the petal, it is greenish, but when it goes upward, going into the leaf base, okay, the petal becomes burgundy or red. That hair-like fussiness is not short, or the verruculus, the wart-like projection, is shorter than that of the Squamiferum. So this is the cataphyll. Okay, still you can feel the verruculus or the wart-like projection. Okay, so at the cataphyll, katong iyang unsani leaf-like structure. Okay, I have researched what is the function of the verruculus or the wart-like projection. It is if I am not mistaken, it is used for food making process of the plant, or for photosynthesis. So it helps in the photosynthesis making, food making process of this plant. Okay, since it is epiphytic, it doesn't need any soil, but I anchored my Philodendron Florida in a well-drained material so that it will grow fast. You can apply fertilizer, but do not expose it under the heat of the sun, because that is it doesn't like that. So thank you so much for watching my video. For those who are new, okay, please do not fail to subscribe to my channel. Again, please take care. I know we still have the pandemic is still going on. So thank you so much for watching my video. Do not fail to subscribe to Mommy's Scrups channel. God bless everybody.